How to fix camera bug in Roblox Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After checking on the connection, launch the Play Store application on your device. Now what you need to do is tap on the search bar and search for Roblox application just to make sure you have an updated version of the Roblox application. As you can see on the screen, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Roblox application. So we're going to go back to the home screen and simply make a long press on the Roblox application. So let's search for Roblox and make a long press. Now tap on app info over here. And as you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So simply select on that and then clear the cache. Then tap on OK. Next, what you need to do is tap on the app permissions and make sure that you have given access to your camera. So simply tap on camera, give that access, and you're good to go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.